everyone and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. So today's recipe is a very nice chicken side dish which you can have with either rice and dal, or you can have it with some chappatis or puris or even some pav or bread. It's very easy with very few ingredients that we don't generally have in our kitchens. So let's head on to my kitchen and make today's lovely chicken side dish recipe. So let's start with today's recipe. Now here I've taken about 300 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut them into small pieces. I've added about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then next I've added a cup of thick curd or dahi or yogurt. Next goes in about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder, followed by 1 heaped tablespoon of chicken tandoori masala. Next goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, some salt to taste. Now I'm going to mix all of this together, and then we're going to cover and keep it for at least an hour to marinate. Now, all the ingredients with the exact measurements will be given in the description box below. Now, I've ground 1 medium-sized onion with about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Now, our chicken is nice and marinated, so we can start making today's recipe. The marination is very important for this recipe. Only then will you get that, the real flavor. Now I've heated about 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. You can also go with oil or, even olive oil will do. Now I'm going to fry this garlic and onion paste. And we're going to fry this really, really well till all the rawness of the onion as well as the garlic goes away. So frying the paste is also very important. Now once the paste is nicely fried, we can add this marinated chicken. Now you can also use chicken with bone, but I generally go for boneless chicken. So after frying this really well, we are going to now add our marinated chicken. Next, we're going to fry this chicken also very, very well along with this garlic and ginger paste. And then we're just going to cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes, checking on the chicken as to whether the chicken is done, and it will ooze out this oil which comes from the curd. Now I like to serve this with some fried onion. So I've just taken 1 medium-sized onion and sliced it very fine. And I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm just going to fry this till it's nice and golden brown in color. Now our chicken is almost ready. And our onions need to get a little bit dark in color, and here our onions are nice and brown. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of coriander, just garnish the dish with some coriander, and our chicken side dish is all ready. So now when serving, I like to serve this by just garnishing it with this lovely fried onions. They give a nice flavor to this dish. And have them with some nice homemade chappatis or puris or rotis, whole wheat rotis, and they taste really nice. And especially during this lockdown when it's very difficult to get ingredients, this is a real easy recipe to follow. Now, like I was saying, this chicken recipe can be used to make a very simple biryani. So once you prepare this chicken recipe, all you need to do is just take some basmati rice and just parboil it till it is just a little bit undercooked, and then strain all the excess water from that rice And then just take a big vessel, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee to the bottom, then add this rice, then add a layer of this cooked chicken, then again add a layer of rice, again this chicken, again some rice, and then just on top of it just put some chopped up coriander or pudina that you have, and some lovely fried onions, and then just take some saffron, soak it in some warm milk, and just put that on the top, and then close the lid very tightly. You can even seal it with some chapati atta, and then cook it for about 5 minutes on a medium flame, and then simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. That's what I did, and I made this simple biryani.
So friends, wasn't today's recipe really simple? Well, this recipe can also be used as a biryani recipe. In other words, you can use this to layer your biryani rice, and you can just put one layer of rice, then put this filling, again put rice, put this filling, and then just sprinkle some lovely fried onions, some kesar or saffron, and some coriander or pudina chopped up, and then just give it a dum, or just cover it and close it tightly for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat, and you can get a biryani recipe from this too. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you will give it a try. You can also try the biryani version using this filling. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to leave the thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, then hit it. It's just below this video. It's a red color subscribe button, and once you have subscribed, there's a little bell that will show up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Also, if you want to look for any of my recipes, just type the recipe in the YouTube search button, and just besides it type Akshita's recipes, and my recipe will pop up. For example, if you want to see chicken curry, just type chicken curry Akshita's recipes, and my recipe will show up. Also, my Facebook link, my Instagram link, and my blog are all in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. So thank you guys, and I'll say bye. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. And I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Bye.